Hello, today I want to talk to you about money, specifically earning money on Reels and shorts from YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and TikTok videos, and let you know who pays the most for those type of views. YouTube by far is still the king when it comes to paying for normal videos, like classic long form videos. But are they the king when it comes to paying for shorts? Let's take a look. So I recently had a video go pretty viral on TikTok and on Facebook Reels. And I want to break down the money that it has earned and also show you what it has earned on YouTube as well. And let me know in the comments if you think it's a lot or not very much or whatnot. So first of all, let's take a look here over at Facebook. So here's the earnings that I've had in the past about month, last 28 days. So $634, and the majority of it has come from this video right here is my apple fritter video, and $605 is how much it's made so far. And that's with 2.6 million views. That is awesome that it has gotten that amount of views. However, with 2.6 million views and only making about $600, that's not a lot per 1,000 views. That's right around like 23 cents or so per 1,000 views. It's still something, not complaining. I'm glad that I made it. Okay, let's compare that now over to TikTok. This same video on TikTok has 742,000 views. And now if we bring up the money here, about 221,000 of those views have qualified for monetization, and I've earned $453. And that gives me an RPM of 65 cents, so over twice as much as what it was on Facebook Reels. So the edge definitely goes to TikTok there. Now I've had other videos on TikTok that didn't earn that much, and as well as they earned even more than that per 1,000 views. Same with Facebook Reels, but this just gives you an idea of one recent video and how it's performing. Now, if we go over to YouTube Shorts, let's look at the analytics for this video. This video hasn't done very well at all on YouTube. It's only gotten 2.6 or 2,600 views. 2,600 views for the video, and the RPM is 10 cents. Somewhere I've noticed in my other videos that the RPM for YouTube Shorts is anywhere between 10 cents, 7 cents, and 20 cents. It just doesn't do very well. YouTube definitely does not pay very well for shorts. So bottom of the line, TikTok is number one for payment for earnings for these types of videos, the short vertical videos, and then Facebook Reels is number two, and then YouTube Shorts is number three. But hey, if you're gonna make a video for TikTok, and you can might as well just post it on Facebook Reels as well, and then also on YouTube. And then so that same content is going to generate you money on each one of those platforms. So look at that. That one video has generated well over 3 million views across all those platforms and has made nearly $1,000. So not too shabby. So anyway, there you go. That's a look at the money that TikTok and Facebook Reels and YouTube pays for that style of video. Hopefully it was helpful. Again, let me know in the comments if you think it is more or less than you thought. Until next time, take care and happy content creating, everyone.